Welcome to the Digital Research Alliance of Canada's RDM video tutorial series on data management plans and the DMP Assistant. This video, Introduction to Data Management Plans, is the first video in this series. No matter what your area of research is, a data management plan, or DMP, can play a foundational role in your project planning and organization. So what is a DMP? A DMP is a formal document that details the strategies and tools you'll implement to effectively manage your data during the active phase of your research. It also documents the mechanisms you'll use for preserving and appropriately sharing your data at the end of the project. Created alongside the development of a research plan, a DMP is a living document that can be modified throughout your project to reflect any changes that have occurred. But why should you create a DMP? Creating a DMP helps you in a number of ways, from helping you to meet grant application requirements or adhere to institutional data mandates, to simply making it easier for team members to document, understand, find, and use the project data. A DMP will also help you to plan the resources, tools, and expertise needed for data management, in addition to identifying your needs for storing, handling, and managing the types and volume of data. Developing a DMP helps to ensure the reliability, authenticity, accuracy, and reproducibility of your data by capturing a detailed account of your data collection, handling, and stewardship practices. Finally, a DMP can help you plan how to make your data fair, that is, findable, accessible, interoperable, and reusable to maximize the research potential and impact of your data. Let's look now at the components of a DMP. DMPs don't have to be long. Often, 1 to 3 pages will do. A DMP contains distinct sections detailing all aspects of how you'll manage your data through its entire life cycle. Many DMPs will contain information about the following aspects of a research project. Let's look at each component in turn. Data collection. What data types you'll collect and in what file formats, as well as the conventions for file naming and version control. Documentation. How you'll ensure data can be read and interpreted by yourself and others. Data storage and backup. How you'll store data throughout the research project to control access and reduce the risk of data loss. Data preservation. Your strategy for ensuring long-term access to your data after the active phase of your project is finished. Sharing and reuse. How you will share your data appropriately with other researchers so that they can reuse them. Data management responsibilities and resources. Who'll take care of what aspects of data management, using what resources, and with what funds. And ethical and legal compliance. How you'll make sure that you comply with the laws and ethical guidelines that apply to your data. One way to create a DMP is to use the Portage DMP Assistant, a freely available, web-based, bilingual tool for preparing DMPs. The DMP Assistant was designed for researchers at Canadian institutions. It provides guidance and examples to help you prepare your DMP and allows you to share, revise, and export your plan. You can find more resources on DMPs and the DMP Assistant, including both videos and written materials, on the Portage Network website at www.portagenetwork.ca. You can also visit the DMP Assistant homepage at assistant.portagenetwork.ca.
Created using Powtoon.